We have the 3 Series, back where it belongs, on the tow truck. So we don't know what it is. It seems like it might be the problem with starter or something with the wiring, but we're talking to BMW because they touched it last for the recall. We have a good gentleman from Mid-Island Towing here coming to help us out, and we'll let you know what happens next, so stay tuned. All right, the BMW Rainbow. We got it right there. Yeah. So the Beamer is coming home. There she is in the back of a tow truck. Here in the X5. And she's coming home. Dylan, what is it that's going to happen to the Beamer?
Alternator.
Oh, damn it, I wish you were right. So BMW said they'll take a look at it and they will inspect it, right? It could be the battery, it could be something that just happened coincidentally when they were working on the car. So right now, it doesn't run. Lights kind of come on, but that's about it. So yeah, we're here, we're home, so we'll see what happens. X5 is leaking oil on the BMW's parking lot. So we're just creating a little rainbow of love for these guys right here. So they'll take a look at the Beamer here, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So I got the Beamer back, and apparently it was the IBS, or Intelligent Battery Sensor, what was causing the car not to start. Apparently messes up something with the electronics and then just pretty much shuts off the DME. They found the isolated issue and told me a quote on what will be to fix it. I don't feel like paying $800 to have a cable replaced, so I found one online for 200 bucks, and we're gonna replace it, hopefully easy. I saw where it's located in the trunk, so shouldn't be a big issue. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll show you what it does when it's faulty and the symptoms that was giving to me. So basically the car just wouldn't start. You put the key in, registers the key, but nothing else happens when you press the button, like nothing. Lights are on, all that is on, but nothing else. So as you can tell here, the battery cable is disconnected, and it should be connected right there. So I'll show you what happens when it's connected and you try to start the car. Check it out. So you go in, you take your key, foot on the clutch, you put it in, and you press the button. The car will do that. But if we have it disconnected, click. Let's try now. So same thing, key in, press the start, stop. The car starts. Car starts and runs. So it's been 5 days since I've ordered parts for the BMW, and they're finally here. So we have to go pick them up, but we can't use Tiguan and we can't use BMW due to obvious reasons. Tiguan due to an attempted arson. So I'm not even joking. Somebody has tried to burn the thing down. I'll show you what I mean. If you come around here to the back left wheel, you can see there's a plastic bottle stuffed with paper, lit on fire, and then placed right here on top of my rear left wheel, which luckily didn't work, but police are investigating, and hopefully we got some results right now. That's why I'm not touching it. There's a faulty crankshaft position sensor on it. We're waiting for parts on that too. So that's kind of one of the reasons why we're not using it. So that's why we got this rental for it. And we got the parts, so let's get it installed and enjoy driving the BMW. I believe this is the adapter. Yeah, it is adapter for the battery. That is the battery sensor. So this is it. Gotta be very gentle with it. This thing you don't have to be gentle with. And there's the adapter. All right, in moment of truth. Oh, she alive. Lots of snow. Hopefully that goes away. Squiggle that out. There's the battery cable, and it's connected over here, I believe. So we have to pop all these out. And these guys, remove this, and then we can move this off to the side. I believe there's a, yeah, there's a one here as well. Just head bolts in there, and you have to wiggle this out, but it's being held by this, by weather stripping. So pull it back a bit as you wedge it out. So basically like that, and then just whoosh, pull it out. Okay. Once you do that, wiggle it out, it'll be jammed in here too. Move it to the side, you'll see this. Then you have to go up, remove that guy. And it's just one of these, so it's easier to remove. Once you do that, this should just wiggle out underneath. Well, it won't wiggle out. There's one more right here that's hidden right there. And now we'll be able to push it to the side and have this thing uncovered. That's what you need to take off. Once you take that 13 off, you should be able to disconnect it from here. Obviously, disconnect it from the battery terminal before you start doing all this. So yeah, disconnect it from here. Just press on the blue tab, it'll come out. And this is what we got. This is what we have here. That is it, the culprit of all the issues. So as it turns out, we are missing a cable. We have this one that goes from battery terminal here, and it goes in here to go right there. This piece should go in a different cable that's missing. The other cable gets plugged in right here and then right here. So basically like a little bridge between the two is the one that we're missing. I probably ordered it wrong from Rock Auto. Only ordered half of the whole cable that we need. Once we get everything else, we'll continue this video. But for now, we're waiting for more parts.
One eternity later.
So we finally received the piece that was missing, which is this little cable right here. And I'll show you how this connects into all this and then back into there. Here we have the old cable where everything is kind of like built in it and then just connected in there. In the new cable, which is a new style, this is old style cable, new style cable. In a new style cable, we have this piece that connects into this right here, right there, and then this part gets plugged in here in the back of this, click. And then when you put all that together, you connect this in there, and then you connect this piece over here. Okay, we got it all connected. It's all in there. The blue's right there. This one's connected in here, and it goes all the way to here. So let's give it a shot. All right, moment of truth. We gave the battery a couple seconds to charge up a little bit, and let's see what happens. Oh, she's alive. She's alive. She's alive and well. As far as the installation and diagnosis goes, it's a pretty straightforward process. As you saw in the video, it will take you less than 20 minutes to replace it if you have all appropriate parts. So I was missing one cable. I will put all three of them in a link in the description because the new style of the sensors is different than the old style of sensors. If this video helped you in any way, whether that be to learn how to fix something on your car and save some money, or just learn a new piece of information, I would appreciate the like. If you want to continue watching my content and see what else we have going on, and I bought a new car, by the way, new project, which is pretty exciting. It's over 40 years old, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, which should be like somewhere right here, but the little icon to subscribe will pop up right there. Don't hit that one, that was fake. It's just an animation that I did right there. But yeah, hit the one in the bottom left of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.